We have always believed that innovation should originate from the real-life context of users, as well as the pursuit of excellence in craft. ZenFone 6 is essentially a creation of both our design team and the users.
我想回想整个 ZenFone 6的设计过程，对我来说，它就是一个非常辛苦，但是却又非常过瘾的过程。
ZenFone 6不仅是旧产品的进化，它实现了我们对未来科技的所有想象。
No more compromises. ZenFone 6 is meant to give users a true all-screen experience. With a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display and precision-crafted dual 3D curved glassback design, ZenFone 6 will provide users with a wider view, slim feel and optimal grip. ZenFone 6 utilises the cutting-edge Qualcomm flagship Snapdragon 855 CPU. We also squeezed a huge 5,000 mAh battery inside the compact phone, meaning users will no longer have to worry about running out of power, even when they're out all day long. But these features are not all ZenFone 6 has to offer. Realising a true all-screen display meant leaving conventions behind. ZenFone 6's innovative flip camera is built with military-grade liquid metal and Sony's flagship 48-megapixel and ultra-wide 13-megapixel cameras. In just a second, the rear camera can automatically flip to become the front camera. It comes with auto panorama, motion tracking, HDR Plus for daytime and super night modes for low-light photography. With these features, the everyday photos and videos that you take will look spectacular. Additionally, the unique G-sensor protection system inside the camera module has been thoroughly tested and makes sure that when the phone drops, the camera module automatically returns to a safe position.
我们相信呢，一个好的产品呢，除了带给消费者一个非常好的美学体验之外，它更要能够启发甚至改变使用者他的生活意义。那这样的想法呢，也就是我们希望借由 ZenFone 6能够带给全世界消费者一个重要的价值。